Hey everyone, it's been the Paleo Dude. I'm here at Walmart near my new house, and they're probably getting a action figure shipment soon. They've got all these slips up on the shelves saying what's going where, and it's pretty exciting. You can see there's some new Jurassic stuff coming in, so that'll be cool. I don't see any smaller dinosaurs, large-scale figures. Fierce Force, there they are. Okay, so those are coming soon. I saw them at other Walmarts if you've seen in my previous videos, but yeah, no, I'm excited to see some of the new stuff hit the shelves. Hopefully we get the campers. I don't see any of that on here, but who knows. And yeah, no, just the basics now. We've got the blind bags, not the newest ones, which I know are at Toys R Us currently, in some places here in Canada. And they have the battle damage Rex for 30, and I think the Spino is still 44, but they still have that one. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick look at one of my local Walmarts, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye bye.